Welcome to TechCast by Raqmedia.com, your quick stop for the latest tech news, smart hacks, and cutting-edge updates. Stay informed, stay ahead. Let's dive in.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Raqmedia TechCast, your one daily stop for all the latest in tech news and trends.
Yeah.
Today we're diving deep into something that's been kind of buzzing around the internet.
Yeah.
Making money online.
Yeah.
Particularly those methods that don't require any specific skills.
Okay.
We've got a fascinating article from Raqmedia itself titled, How to Make Money Online with No Skills. And this is going to be our guide today.
Awesome.
Get ready to be surprised by the sheer range of opportunities out there. I was blown away by just how many options there are.
Right.
And it's not about tech skills anymore.
Yeah.
I mean, this article highlights how everyday passions and interests can actually be turned into income streams.
Definitely.
And what I thought was really interesting was they emphasized this low barrier to entry.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need a ton of capital or specialized knowledge to get started.
Exactly. The internet has kind of democratized access to entrepreneurship in a way that we've never seen before.
Yeah.
It's like a global marketplace at your fingertips.
And this article really does give you a roadmap for navigating it.
100%.
One thing that kind of jumped out at me
Yeah.
was how much this article focuses on like flexibility and location independence.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's like the traditional 9-to-5 is being flipped on its head.
Right.
You can work from anywhere in the world, set your own hours, be your own boss.
Freedom.
So many people are craving that kind of freedom and autonomy.
Yeah. It's a major shift in the way we think about work, and it's not just about millennials or digital nomads. People from all walks of life are embracing this idea of online income, whether it's to supplement their existing income, explore a new passion, or build a full-fledged business.
I love that.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, let's dive into some of the specific methods highlighted in the article.
Okay, let's do it.
First up, we have online surveys.
Oh, yeah.
Now, I know what you might be thinking, surveys really.
Yeah.
But hear me out. It's not about getting rich quick,
Right.
but it is a legitimate way to earn a little extra cash by just sharing your opinions.
I mean, think of it as getting paid for your thoughts. And feedback companies are constantly looking for consumer insights, and they're willing to pay for it. It's not a passive income stream by any means, but it can be a nice way to earn some extra spending money in your free time.
Totally. And the beauty of it is how incredibly easy it is to get started.
Oh, yeah.
There are tons of reputable survey sites out there, and the article gives a great overview of some of the top options. They even give tips on how to maximize your earnings and avoid scams, which is really important.
Very important.
What I thought was so fascinating was how this method plays into the larger trend of data collection and analysis.
Oh, for sure.
Companies are hungry for information about consumer behavior, and online surveys provide a direct channel for gathering that data.
Absolutely.
It's like a win-win situation. Companies get valuable insights, individuals get rewarded for their participation.
Definitely.
All right, let's move on to something a bit more hands-on.
Okay.
Selling on online marketplaces, we're talking about platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and eBay, which have become global giants in e-commerce.
Yeah. I mean, these platforms have truly revolutionized the way people buy and sell goods.
Yeah.
You can find almost anything on these marketplaces, from handmade crafts and vintage treasures to electronics and everyday essentials. It's like a virtual shopping mall that's open 24/7.
And the best part is you don't need to be a retail giant to get in on the action.
Yeah,
Anyone can set up shop and start selling.
that's true.
The article goes into detail about the different platforms, their fees, and the types of products that perform well.
What's really interesting to me is how these marketplaces have empowered individual creators and small businesses. You no longer need a brick and mortar store or a massive marketing budget to reach a global audience.
It's a game changer for those who are passionate about creating and selling their own products.
Yeah.
Whether you're a knitter, a painter, a tech whiz, you can find a market for your creations online.
And it's not just about physical products. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, and printables are also incredibly popular on these marketplaces.
You can literally sell your knowledge and your expertise. Now, if you're looking for something that involves promoting products you love,
Yeah.
affiliate marketing might be your jam.
Okay.
It's like being an influencer, but without needing millions of followers.
Right.
It's a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link.
Hmm.
It's a popular strategy for bloggers, social media influencers, and even everyday consumers who are passionate about certain products or brands.
For sure.
I love how the article demystifies affiliate marketing, explaining how it works, the different types of programs, and the strategies for success. They even highlight some ethical considerations, which is really important in this space.
It is. Transparency and authenticity are key in affiliate marketing. You need to be upfront about your affiliate relationships and only promote products that you genuinely believe in.
Absolutely. And for those of you who are entrepreneurial but don't want to deal with inventory, dropshipping is a fascinating model.
It is.
It's all about connecting customers with suppliers without having to handle the products yourself.
Right. You essentially act as a middleman, taking orders from customers and passing them on to the supplier, who then ships the product directly. It's a low-risk, low-overhead way to start an e-commerce business.
It's like running a virtual storefront. And the article breaks down the entire process from finding suppliers to setting up your online store. They even talk about marketing strategies and tips for finding your niche.
Awesome.
Speaking of finding your niche, if you're passionate about sharing knowledge and helping others learn online tutoring, might be the perfect fit.
Oh, that's a good one.
With the rise of online learning platforms, the demand for online tutors has skyrocketed. You can specialize in almost any subject, from academic subjects like math and science to creative pursuits like music and art.
And the article highlights platforms like Ingles, which connects tutors with students worldwide. It also explores the possibility of creating your own tutoring brand and marketing your services independently.
So cool.
Yeah.
What I find particularly empowering about online tutoring is that it allows you to leverage your existing knowledge and skills to help others succeed. It's a rewarding way to make an impact while earning an income.
100%.
And for those who are looking for even more in-depth information and resources on making money online, be sure to visit Raqmedia.com. They've got a treasure trove of articles, guides, and tools to help you on your journey.
It's a fantastic hub for anyone interested in exploring the world of online income and staying ahead of the curve in the digital landscape.
Now, we've covered a lot of ground already, but there's so much more to explore. Stay tuned. We'll be right back to delve deeper into some of these fascinating methods and uncover even more gems from the Raqmedia article.
Sounds good.
Welcome back to the Raqmedia TechCast. You know, as we were kind of diving into all these different methods for making money online, one thing that really struck me was how much emphasis the article places on building a strong online presence.
Oh, yeah.
It's not enough to just like pick a method and hope for the best.
Right.
You really need to put yourself out there.
It's a crucial point. Whether you're taking surveys, selling products, or offering services, having a professional online identity is essential for building trust and credibility. It's about showcasing your expertise, connecting with your target audience, and ultimately standing out in that crowded online marketplace.
Right, and they give you some really practical tips on how to do that. They start with the basics, like having a professional email address. And creating a simple website or landing page.
For sure.
It seems like such a small thing. But it makes a huge difference in how people perceive you.
It's about creating a cohesive brand image that reflects your values and resonates with your audience. It's like having a virtual storefront that's well-designed, easy to navigate, and showcases your products or services in the best possible light.
And then there's the whole social media aspect. The article talks about the importance of choosing the right platforms for your target audience and creating engaging content that provides value. It's not just about posting selfies or sharing random thoughts. It's about building a community and fostering meaningful connections.
Yeah, social media has become an incredibly powerful tool for businesses and individuals alike. It's a way to connect with potential customers, build relationships, and establish yourself as a thought leader in your niche. It's about creating a conversation, not just broadcasting a message.
And they even suggest collaborating with other creators or businesses in your niche.
Collaboration is key in the online world.
It's like the old saying, a rising tide lifts all boats.
Exactly.
By supporting each other, you can expand your reach and tap into new audiences.
It's about building partnerships that are mutually beneficial and create a sense of community. It's about sharing knowledge, resources, and expertise to help each other succeed.
And of course, the article stresses the importance of staying up to date with the industry trends.
Oh, absolutely.
The digital landscape is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay informed about new platforms, technologies, and consumer behaviors.
Continuous learning is crucial for anyone who wants to thrive in the online world. It's about being adaptable, embracing new ideas, and constantly seeking ways to improve your skills and knowledge. It's not just about keeping up. It's about staying ahead of the curve.
It's about reading industry blogs, following influencers, attending webinars, and constantly experimenting with new tools and strategies. It's about being a lifelong learner.
100%.
And what I thought was really interesting is how they connect this idea of staying up to date with the concept of diversifying your income streams.
Oh, yeah.
It's not just about mastering one method.
Right.
It's about exploring multiple avenues for online income and spreading your risk.
It's like having a portfolio of income-generating activities. If one stream slows down, you have others to fall back on. It's about creating a safety net and maximizing your earning potential. And this ties back to the idea of being adaptable and embracing change. The online world is dynamic, and those who are willing to evolve and try new things will be the ones who thrive.
You know, as we're talking about all of this, I can't help but think about how much valuable information is available on Raqmedia.com.
For sure.
They really are a fantastic resource for anyone interested in exploring the world of online income and staying ahead of that digital curve.
Absolutely. They have articles, guides, tutorials, and a wealth of resources to help you navigate the online world and achieve your goals. It's a one-stop shop for all things tech and online business.
So we've covered a lot of ground here.
Yeah.
But there's one more crucial element that the article highlights, the importance of mindset.
Oh, yeah.
It's not just about the technical skills of the strategies.
Right.
It's about having the right attitude and approach.
That's so true. Making money online, like any entrepreneurial endeavor, requires resilience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. It's about embracing challenges as opportunities for growth and never giving up on your vision.
The article talks about the importance of setting realistic goals, staying motivated, and developing a growth mindset. It's about believing in yourself and your ability to succeed even when things get tough.
It's about having a positive outlook, focusing on solutions, and surrounding yourself with a supportive community. It's about celebrating small wins and learning from setbacks.
And it's about remembering that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistent action to build a sustainable online income stream. But with the right mindset and the right resources, anyone can achieve their goals.
Absolutely. And you know what's really exciting is that the online world is constantly evolving, creating new opportunities and possibilities for those who are willing to embrace them.
So to all our listeners out there who are intrigued by this idea of making money online, I say go for it. Do your research, find your niche, and start building your online empire. And remember, Raqmedia.com is an invaluable resource to guide you every step of the way. Welcome back to the Raqmedia TechCast. We've been on quite a journey exploring this world of making money online. And, I'm feeling incredibly energized by all the possibilities that we've uncovered.
Yeah, me too.
It's clear that this digital landscape is just teeming with opportunities for anyone with the drive and the creativity to tap into them.
It's been an eye-opening deep dive for me as well. What I find truly inspiring is how accessible these opportunities have become. The internet has broken down so many barriers, allowing individuals to really take control of their financial futures in ways that were just unimaginable just a few years ago.
Yeah, as we wrap up our discussion today,
I
keep coming back to that core message of the Raqmedia article.
Yeah.
It's not about getting rich quick.
Yeah.
It's about finding something you enjoy, putting in the effort, and being patient. It's about building something sustainable and rewarding over time.
Absolutely. It's about embracing that journey, learning along the way, and constantly seeking ways to improve and grow. There will be challenges, of course.
Right.
But that's all part of the process. It's about adapting, persevering, and never giving up on your vision.
And I think that's where the mindset piece comes in.
Yeah.
It's about believing in yourself and your ability to succeed, even when faced with setbacks. It's about having a growth mindset, embracing challenges as opportunities for learning, and constantly seeking ways to improve your skills and knowledge.
It's also about surrounding yourself with a supportive community, connecting with like-minded individuals who can offer encouragement, guidance, and inspiration. The online world is full of amazing communities where you can learn from others, share your experiences, and find support along the way.
And let's not forget the importance of celebrating those small wins along the way.
Yep.
Every step forward, no matter how small it is a victory worth acknowledging. It's about staying motivated, focusing on the positive, and enjoying the journey as much as the destination.
So to all of our listeners out there who are feeling inspired and ready to take action, I say take that first step. Explore those opportunities that resonate with you, do your research, and start building your online presence.
And remember, Raqmedia.com is an incredible resource to guide you on your journey. They have articles, tutorials, tools, and a wealth of information to help you navigate the online world and achieve your goals. It's a treasure trove of knowledge and inspiration waiting to be discovered.
As we leave you today, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking question. What unique skills or passions could you leverage in the online world? What talents or interests could you turn into a fulfilling and profitable endeavor? Take some time to reflect on that and then take that first step towards making it a reality.
That's a fantastic question, and we encourage all of you to explore the answer. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Raqmedia TechCast, your one daily shop for all the latest tech news and trends. A huge thank you to our scriptwriter, Ezadine Yahiwi, for crafting such an insightful and engaging deep dive.
We hope you found this episode informative and inspiring.
Don't forget to subscribe on Spotify for more deep dives into the world of tech, and be sure to visit Raqmedia.com for a wealth of resources on online opportunities, tech trends, and everything in between. Until next time.